Oh, so, hi, very good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is keeping safe, healthy, and happy. So, on the popular demand, I'm back again with a very sensitive topic, which is self-esteem. So, basically, beauty always begins when you decide to be your own self. And so, if I'll talk about self image or self esteem, what exactly self esteem means? It means the opinion we have for our own self, whether it is in a positive way, whether it is in the negative way, the opinion which we carry for ourselves. So, if I'll talk about two kind of things, positive or negative. So, if I'm a negative person, if I'm just talking negative, so I always criticize myself, like I'm not good in this, I can't do this, I don't have a brain, I can't compete on with those people, I don't look good, and always criticize myself. But if I have, a very positive impact for myself, so I always praise whatever I have. I have brain, I have all the things which I can do. I'm very beautiful girl in the whole world. So that is what self-esteem actually means. So today I will be covering four common forms of excuses which we actually give to ourselves. If I'll talk about the first one, which is like, uh, my health is not very good. And if I'll give you a very short example, like I recently actually going through one of the stories today only. We had an interview of Sarika Jain, and she has a polio. So from her child age, so she was struggling from the polio. She is girl. So in Odisha, that is not allowed to go out in the market and do the stuff. And belonging to the that family background, they were always say like, oh, girls can't do this. Girls actually should not go out and do all those stuff. And she actually described it very well. If you are feeling bad about what you have, like she has a polio, if she started feeling like, oh god, what will happen, I have a polio, and what will I do in my life, I can't do anything, I can't run, I can't walk, people will look me like this, and all those stuff. We actually think all those stuff in that area only when we are not feeling good about our own self. So there are millions of the story. If I'll talk about Stephen Hawkins, if I'll talk about Thomas Edison, if I'll talk about John Nedden, if I'll talk about Arunima Singh, that Indian girl who climbed the Mount Everest for the first time, and she has leg issues. If I'll talk about Sarika Jain, if I'll talk about Sudha Chandra, she's a very good classical dancer. She has been awarded with so many good things. So basically, it's always about what you are feeling about yourself. If you are feeling pity, like, okay, this is what I can't do because I have this problem, then obviously you will never be able to do certain things, because you are all only feeling you're guilty about what you have. So it's always about what we feel about ourselves. So the right attitude and one arm will beat the wrong attitude, and the two arms every time we enjoy our life. So the question is, it's not that we have disease. The question is, are we applying the right kind of a mindset for our own self? So there are four things which we can cover up and come out from this healthy talk, which is refuse to talk about your story, your health. Like, I have covered so many times about migraine. From my childhood I had migraine. So whenever I go to whenever I don't want to go to school, so what I used to do is I just go and sit with my father and say, papa papa mujhe sir mein dard ho raha hai, mujhe school nahi jana hai. So that is what I used to do, and I used to tell everyone कि मुझे माइग्रेन है और मुझे सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, जब मुझे काम भी नहीं करना होता है. इट्स जस्ट अ रेगुलर थिंग व्हिच आई, when I don't want to go for the work, I just say I have migraine, I don't want to go out in the sunlight, I don't want to do this, because just for the normal thing that I, and that goes into my subconscious mind. I and it realize like, maximum of the time if I'm speaking about the migraine, it actually happen. Even if I'm not having the migraine pain, then also I'll get the migraine attack because I'm speaking it too much. And first of all, what you have to do is just refuse, don't talk about it, refuse to worry about the things. If a person having so many issues and they were, refuse to really worry about their things and start focusing on what good health they want, like what I did and what rest of the people did. Stephen Hawkins is a very good example we have. Sudha Chandra, I was just going through her story also. So she actually got an accident, and she has no legs, and she carry the artificial leg. Then also she is one of the best classical dancer in the industry and in the country which we have, and she has been awarded with so many awards. So why? Because she never talk about her health issues. She refused to worry about her artificial leg, but she always talk about the kind of a dance she does and the kind of a personality she carry, in front of the people. So that is 2 points. And be genuine with yourself. If you have a certain disease, but if you can see, you can see from your eyes, you can feel the smell, you can actually speak, that is more than enough. There are so many people who don't have both of their hands, who don't have legs, then also they are doing wonders. If we are not good in one thing, then why we have to worry about that only? Why can't we always be grateful that okay, we don't have this thing, but we have rest of the stuff with us. We can see the world, we can smell, we can actually speak. So that is all what we can be grateful about. If I'll talk about remind yourself, don't waste it. Always remind the kind of body you want, the kind of health you want. So that is one which thing which we can do with our health. So if I'll talk about brain, so some of the times what we do is कि we don't have a very good brain, or we can't compete with that person, or we underestimate our brain power, but we overestimate the other person brain power. If I'll talk about, there are lots of good motivational speakers in the market. I'm not here to motivate anyone, I'm not very competitive to them, but the only thing is I can't underestimate the person I am, or I can't overestimate those people. But what I can do is I can learn from them. I can actually implement those things in my life so that I can grow in the same area, or I can actually enhance my skill set in the same area. So knowledge is always not about हमने पढ़ा है ना बचपन में कि knowledge is power, but actually is a very wrong statement. Knowledge is potential power. When we actually implement that knowledge in our life, then only that knowledge will become a power, because we have to implement that knowledge in our life. हमारे पास knowledge है but हम उसको implement नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो क्या फायदा? If I know the ABCD, but actually I'm not able to make the words, I'm not able to make my name, so what that mean? उस knowledge का कोई मतलब नहीं होगा, right? So if I'll talk about, like there are certain things, for example हमसे logically पूछा जाता है 1+1 is how 1+1 is equal to, and we start thinking कि यार कितना होगा कितना होगा. It's just a very simple answer. 1+1 is 2. Why we are thinking कि 1+1 is 11? यार उसने पूछा है तो कुछ तो different होगा. It's very simple यार, come on, there is no inside out. That is just 1+1 is 2. We don't have to always underestimate our knowledge ourselves and overestimate the other person. It's very simple. You don't have to apply the logic every time. You just have to go very calm and very stuff and just think about what other person is asking. And if I'll talk about, there was a very good example which Einstein used to give is, I don't know why actually we work not on our brain but on the facts. Yeah, okay, this is the fact. If I'll talk about, I don't know swimming, and if I'll go in the water, I'll die. That is not a brain thing. That is basically a not a fact also. I don't know swimming, but because I don't know swimming, तो मैं मर जाऊंगी पानी में जाके. Obviously that is not truth. It's like a phobia which I have, but ये fact नहीं है कि मैं उस पानी से मर जाऊंगी. That is also just a very normal thing. So once a time there was a question which a person asked from Einstein So he said, instead of going and you thinking too much about that question, why can't I just refer a book which actually give me the answer of the same question. So that is also what I can do, right? So I don't want to waste my time and thinking कि okay इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है. That was the answer which Einstein gave. And if I go to the story of Einstein, obviously everyone knows Einstein was not a very like very studious person, but the person he became is just because he has applied his knowledge in the very potential way. So he became Einstein because of that only. So there are three ways again, like I give for the health. There are three ways which we can apply on the knowledge also. One is, never underestimate your power. You have so many things. If you are weak in one thing, but if you are strong in rest of the thing, why don't we work on the rest of the thing? Why we have to worry about one thing which we are not good at? So remind yourself several times that you can do it. My attitudes are more important than my intelligence. See, I'm not very intelligent. I'm coming live all the time. Maybe there are so many people who have so many good knowledge about the subject, but it's always about how you are implementing those things, the attitude you carry, and the impact you wanted to create in yourself and in the society. So it's always about how you can cure your intelligence in that way. If I'll talk about remember the ability and the thing of much greater value, the ability to memorize the fact. Don't memorize the fact कि अच्छा ये हुआ था, अच्छा ये हुआ था. Always relate that in the form of a story. Ability of creating the impact in your own self will be much higher if you don't remember the fact, but if you work on your thinking ability. If I'll talk about the old age, ki, I'm too old for this or I'm too young for this. So it's always about ki, we are criticizing our own self. If I'll talk about, Shri Devi, if I'll talk about so many actresses, they don't actually think कि our age हमारा तो इतना एज हो गया, हम तो कुछ काम ही नहीं कर सकते. They always think कि we are still young. We make fun of that, but that's the true reality. We have to always think about our power. If I'm 26 and I can't really go out in the market and can't do this stuff, this is too young for me, I'm too young for that thing, which is not really true. We I have to always think कि, okay, if I'm young, what else I can do to actually implement those things so that I can become a professional person in that area. So that is what we can I can add on oil, right? So if I'll talk about Amitabh Bachchan, he is too old, but he never actually picturize himself in that age कि मैं इतना aged हूँ. He always picturize that he is young, he can walk. If a person apart from Amitabh Bachchan is in that age, obviously they will just say कि मुझसे अब काम नहीं होगा, I can't work and all those stuff, I'm too old for this. But Amitabh Bachchan has all the ability to come out in the market and actually work for himself. If I'll talk about the Imran Khan, who recently died, so he came in the industry almost like in his after 30s, right? And if I'll talk about industry parameters, so people used to say that you have to come in the industry in your early 20s if you wanted to go in a higher way. But he came in that period of time where everyone is so famous already, but he has chosen his knowledge as a power and he have overcome all of those facts, and now he's one of the most memorable person in the society. So what we can do is, instead of talking about our age, that we can't do this because we are we are so old for this or we are so young for this, what we can do is never actually allow other person or actually allow yourself positively the age you carry. So it's always about how you are looking at your age. Compute how productive you can work to become what you wanted to become in the same age, right? So that is what we can do if we are in the, in the age. And if I'll talk about the last thing, which is really really very very important, which is like, मेरा तो बैड लक है, मेरा तो लक ही खराब है, विच आई यूज टू से ऑल द टाइम कि मैं तो पनौती हूँ, मैं कहीं पे भी जाऊंगी तो इट ऑलवेज लाइक कि बहुत चीज़ें प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा एंड ऑल दो स्टाफ. सो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट द लॉ एंड द इफेक्ट्स. So that is one thing which I accepted and I came to know from my mentor, from the people I am associated with. So they taught me you don't have to actually look for the bad luck, you have to look for the good luck and the things you have in yourself as of now. So always go for the law of causes and the effect which you can carry with yourself, the positive impact which you can create in your own self and in the society. So that is all about, bad luck. Don't be wishful thinker, always be a powerful thinker. So that is all about my from my end. I would like to conclude with 3 steps which is very important in the self esteem. One is always praise yourself. If you are not good in that, then also you have to praise yourself that I am the very beautiful girl in the whole world, even if I'm not. You always have to praise yourself in the very positive way, so that you can feel good about yourself, and then only your body will respond the same way. Because if I'm saying bad thing about my body and myself, so obviously I will not get the positive response. So that is one thing. And picturize yourself, what you actually wanted to become. So I have covered earlier also, like we are the only creator of our life story. We create this life picture. So we are the director, we are the producer, we all are everything. So हम लोग जो भी अपनी लाइफ में करते हैं, we are the producer, we are the director, and we are the actor too. So we have to picturize ourselves in a very the person we want to actually see. So instead of always thinking हाँ यार वो कर सकती है, I can't do it, but you have to see कि if she can do it, so why not me? So you have to picturize yourself in that area, which I have applied in my life too. If I'll talk about self care, so obviously we all are at home as of now. So that is the best part. We can, actually care about ourselves, our skin, our health, our brain, and everything, which I used to talk a lot. So you have to actually go further and care about your own self, because that is one thing which will give you the result. No one else will praise you if you are not praising your own self. So beauty always come when you actually love your own self. So first love yourself, and then ask the society and the people to come back and love you. So stay happy, stay positive. If you have any question like how I came overcome my self-esteem issues which I used to have in my past, so feel free to talk, feel free to come again. And thank you so very much for always appreciating my videos. And I'm really blessed, like people ask me to come down for this self-esteem topic. So thank you so much for appreciating, liking my videos. I'm so blessed. And just stay positive, stay happy, and stay connected. Thank you so much.